Question number 1.
Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't likes coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee.
Question number 2.
Choose the correct form. A. I have saw the movie. B. I have seen the movie. C. I seen the movie.
Question number 3.
Select the correct synonym of rapid. A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Dull.
Question number 4.
Fill in the blank. He dashed to the gym every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going.
Question number 5.
Which is the correct passive voice? She writes a letter. A. A letter is written by she. B. A letter is written by her. C. A letter written by her.
Question number 6.
Choose the correct antonym of generous. A. Kind. B. Mean. C. Helpful.
Question number 7.
Identify the noun phrase. A. The tall man in the blue shirt. B. Runs quickly. C. Very happy.
Question number 8.
Choose the correct preposition. She is interested. Dash art. A. In B. On C. At.
Question number 9.
Which sentence is punctuated correctly? A. It's raining. Bring an umbrella. B. It's raining. Bring an umbrella. C. It's raining. Bring an umbrella.
Question number 10.
Which is the correct reported speech? I am happy, she said. A. She said that she is happy. B. She said that she was happy. C. She said she happy.
Question number 11.
Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate.
Question number 12.
Select the correct synonym of courage. A. Bravery. B. Fear. C. Weakness.
Question number 13.
Which is correct? A. He can plays guitar. B. He can play guitar. C. He can play guitar.
Question number 14.
Fill in the blank. The train dashed before we arrived. A. Has left. B. Had left. C. Left.
Question number 15.
Choose the correct idiom. Spill the beans means A. Waste food. B. Reveal a secret. C. Cook a meal.
Question number 16.
Select the correct comparative form. A. More better. B. Better. C. Best.
Question number 17.
Choose the correct tense. By next year, I dash my degree. A will complete, B will have completed, C completed.
Question number 18.
Which sentence is correct? A. Everyone have finished their work. B. Everyone has finished their work. C. Everyone finished their work.
Question number 19.
Choose the correct synonym of enormous. A. Huge. B. Small. C. Thin.
Question number 20.
Fill in the blank. She speaks English than her brother. A. Fluenter. B. More fluently. C. Fluentlier.
Question number 21.
Choose the correct indirect speech. I will help you, he said. A. He said he would help me. B. He said he will help me. C. He said I would help you.
Question number 22.
Which is the correct plural form? A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs.
Question number 23.
Fill in the blank. Neither of the answers dash correct. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 24.
Choose the correct preposition. She was born dash 2000. A in B at C on.
Question number 25.
Which is the correct sentence? A. I enjoyed to watch the movie. B. I enjoyed watching the movie. C. I enjoyed watch the movie.
Question number 26.
Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested to go to the park. B. She suggested going to the park. C. She suggested go to the park.
Question number 27.
Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested to go to the park. B. She suggested going to the park. C. She suggested go to the park.
Question number 28.
Select the correct form. He has been here since 2 hours is incorrect because A. Use for instead of since. B. Change has to had. C. Use in instead of since.
Question number 29.
Fill in the blank. If I dash you, I would study harder. A was B, were C, am.
Question number 30.
Choose the correct passive voice. They will build a new school. A new school will be built by them. B, a new school is built by them. C, a new school built by them.
Question number 31.
Choose the correct antonym of permanent. A, temporary. B, long. C, steady.
Question number 32.
Which sentence is correct? A. He is married with Sarah. B. He is married to Sarah. C. He married with Sarah.
Question number 33.
Select the correct synonym of delicious. A. Tasty. B. Sour. C. Stale.
Question number 34.
Fill in the blank. He dashed TV when the phone rang. A was watching, B is watching, C watches.
Question number 35.
Choose the correct idiom. Break the ice means A. Start a conversation. B. Destroy something. End a friendship.
Question number 36.
Which is correct? A. She is the best of the two. B. She is the better of the two. C. She is better of the two.
Question number 37.
Fill in the blank. The cake tastes dash. A. Deliciously. B. Delicious. C. More delicious.
Question number 38.
Choose the correct spelling. A. Definitely. B. Definitely. C. Definitely.
Question number 39.
Which is the correct tag question? You're coming dash? A. Are you? B. Aren't you? C. Isn't you?
Question number 40.
Choose the correct synonym of brief. A. Short. B. Long. C. Detailed.
Question number 41.
Which sentence is correct? A. It is me who is responsible. B. It is I who am responsible. C. It is I who is responsible.
Question number 42.
Fill in the blank. I have been living here dash 2015. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 43.
Choose the correct antonym of expand. A. Enlarge. B. Contract. C. Stretch.
Question number 44.
Which sentence is correct? A. She is much taller than me. B. She is much taller than I. C. She is much tall than me.
Question number 45.
Choose the correct form. The book dash on the table. A. Lay. B. Laid. C. Lays.
Question number 46.
Which is correct? A. Neither he nor I am going. B. Neither he nor I is going. C. Neither he nor I are going.
Question number 47.
Fill in the blank. Let's go out dash. A. Will we be? Shall we see? Do we?
Question number 48.
Choose the correct idiom. Hit the sack means A. Go to bed. B. Start a fight. C. Carry a bag.
Question number 49.
Which is correct? A. Less people attended the meeting. B. Fewer people attended the meeting. C. Few people attended less meeting.
Question number 50.
Fill in the blank. The news dash very surprising. A. Are B is C. Were.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.